If you're a coach, consultant, course creator, and you sell stuff for high ticket in particular, there's an exercise I'm going to talk you through right now that I want you to start doing at least every 90 to 180 days. That is going to allow you very quickly to make more money, work a lot less, and in the time that you do dedicate to work and growing your business, you're going to enjoy it a hell of a lot more. Okay, it's really simple. You can do it starting today and start to add it to your routine really consistently. And I think you're going to see massive dividends in both the short and long term. Okay, before we jump into this, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, click that first link in the description. There's a video that breaks down how we build info businesses to $50,000 to $100,000 a month, like we've done for ourselves and a bunch of other clients. And let's jump into this one in particular. Okay, so this deploys what we call the Bookend Concept. All right, now this is particularly for people who have a personal brand and sell information products. Okay, and the reason that this specifically applies to that business model is that when it's your personal brand and you are the face of it, you need to be the one creating the content. You need to be the one showing up on video. You need to be the one in the ads. You need to be the one on the lives, right? Because you're the face of your brand. Same for the products, right? Like I would recommend that you are the person in the videos in your course. Obviously you can bring on team members and coaches and stuff to help like that, but you still need oversight in terms of the offers that you create and deliver on. All right, so the main two places that you really need to be in your business are the front and the back. The front being the content, the face of the business, the back being the products and the services that you create and sell so that you can deliver on them accordingly. You can have help in that process, but you need to be heavily involved, okay? All the stuff in the middle is where you can really aggressively slash how much time you are spending. All right, so that's everything from the time you finish filming a YouTube video, right? From the time that you finish writing a Facebook post, from the time that you finish writing an email, all the way up until people see the offer that you have created in whatever it is that you do. Okay, so here's a really simple exercise that I would encourage you to do. Write down those two bookends, right? And the tasks involved in that you have to do. I have to film the video. I have to show up on this call, etc. And then in the middle, I want you to go into mega detail all of the tiny little steps and the little things that you do every day, the little parts of the customer journey that your people move through. And I want you to write them all down. And this is like tiny stuff, like putting this in this Facebook group, right? Like replying to comments here, interacting here, doing this here, all of the tiny little steps from the beginning of the customer journey all the way until the end. Okay, this is going to be a really illuminating activity. And I want you to start doing this consistently every 90 to 180 days because like life, right? Like your garage, like your house, over time we accumulate stuff. Your to-do list is exactly the same. Your business is constantly changing and evolving and you pick up and take on stuff and you just say, oh, I'll just do it this time. I'll just do it this time. I'll just do it this time. So you need to start doing this consistently so that you are shedding the weight of tasks that you pick up. Okay, now with all these tasks, there's a couple of things that you can do and it's really going to depend on you and your business, but there's more of the, I guess what I would consider the logical, like this is exactly what we should do with this purely based on logic. And then there's the more emotional and feeling side to it. Okay, so what I mean by logical is like, is this task contributing to the positive growth of the business and the ultimate goal that we are trying to move towards? Yes, no, right? If not, why are we doing it at all? We should eliminate it, right? If it is it something that I need to do or can I outsource it? Okay, very simple decisions that as you start to go through, you can make those decisions. You can bring on VAs, you can bring on staff, however you want to do it. You can very quickly identify what you can take off your plate. That could be from an admin perspective. That could be from a graphics, video editing, sales, like having conversations, whatever, right? Like all of those moving parts in the middle, you can eliminate yourself from. There are plenty of services online in order to do it. You just need to coordinate it with the right people and make sure that you're bringing the right people into your business who fit your overall vision and what you're trying to do, etc. Then on the other side of it, you're going to have the more feeling-based stuff, okay? And this is going to take a bit more reflection, but there's going to be stuff that you've kind of always done, right? And it might be contributing to your business, but your business might have grown to the point where, is that still the best thing to do? Be that yourself or someone on your team? Or should we be changing strategies and tactics because now we're at this level, there's a better thing that we could be doing? Or if you look forward, does the business that you want to build do those types of things, right? Like, do you want to build a big phone team? Do you want to be on X platform? Do you want to do these things? That comes from the gut as well as just the the raw data. Okay, if you're looking at it purely from a quantitative perspective, people won't factor this in. They'll just go, what produces the biggest ROI? But I personally put weight on stuff that, do I want this in my business? Is this the direction I want to take things? Is this something that I enjoy and want to be involved in, right? Because for me, it's an important factor that I enjoy showing up each day and working on the tasks. And through this process, I was just saying on a call earlier today, there's little to nothing in the business that I don't enjoy doing at this point, because we've either eliminated it, changed our overall strategy to find a better way, or we've got people that specialize in doing things that we don't want to do. I think people get stuck in this thought pattern of, I have to do things this way because someone told me I have to do it this way, or because this is the way that I've always done things and I couldn't possibly change. And in so many cases, that's not true. There's going to be opportunities to get other people to do it, or there's going to be opportunities for you just to shatter that assumption and do something completely different. All right. But it all starts with this bookending exercise that I would encourage you to go ahead and do. It's, what do I need to show up for on the content side of things? What do I need to show up for on the delivery side of things? And create that huge list of things in the middle that you're probably doing, and start aggressively eliminating, outsourcing, or just finding a better way altogether. Okay, if you start doing that every 90 to 180 days, you're going to get way more time back. That time can then be deployed into more money-making activities, which is creating content, creating ads, creating offers, improving offers, ascending people through your offers, all that kind of stuff. And you're going to eliminate a ton of stuff that you really don't want to do, which means you're going to have a hell of a lot more fun doing it. That's going to create more of a positive feedback loop, which in turn is going to make you more money. Okay, go ahead and do that ASAP, and let me know how it goes. Click that first link in the description, head over, enter your email, come into our world, and get on the email list, join the Facebook group, all that kind of good stuff. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you all in the next video. Cheers.